unboxing Color Reveal Barbie. And I know we haven't been doing anything except unboxing, but here is another. And you can see this water right here. And that will give you a surprise. And this is a surprise too, so let's unbox. But first, you can see here, it's water reveal. And it's one of the newest Barbie things. It's 5 surprises. Here's all you get. And then you can also get one of these too. So let's see what we get. There's a little tab right there that you can peel. Let's see what we got. Collector's guide. And here it is. Oh, this is exciting, guys. So exciting. Oh, it's like purple here, and we also got a purple thing. So, oh, this is just so cool, guys. Let's pop it in the water. Swoosh it around. So it's basically like paint. Let's see the collector's guide. Oh, you can see some paint over there that is falling off from it. There's like 2 of them here. Oh, here's all of them that you can collect. Here. That's just the basic one. Here it is. You put it in water. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There's only to E. Ooh, I can't wait. And white. This is so amazing. Let's swoosh it around again. Oh my god, it feels so sticky. Wonder what we got though. Wow, it's so cool. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, there's a little picture right here. Hope I don't get the camera wet. But here it is. And it's in a container. You can peel. Ooh, and this would be like perfect for like a slime lid in a container. So keep that. I wonder what we'll get in this surprise blind bag. And there's like a little symbol on it that says something like, please don't get it wet. Ooh, a little black doggo. I love dogs. I have a dog myself. Do you want to see some doggy videos? Don't forget to leave a like if you do. Ooh, and like these are like for Barbie, I think, or Chelsea. They're little heart sunglasses. It's cute. Then we have another one right here. We're supposed to get like something like 5 surprises. Yeah, 5 surprise. What? 2 doggos? Cute. Ooh, this one's a cat actually, and this one is a dog. They look so cute together. Here's another one. I can't wait to see what we get in this. It's a water bottle. I have like 2 of these, and then this is a different color. So then what will we get for the bag? Almost cut the bag. Well, we are cutting the bag. Huh. Wow. Guess what, guys? I have one exactly like this, but this is fine. It's not the color though. This is so cute. Yeah, there's still some in here, the paint. You can put it in there because who needs it right now? Oh, and you can put the dogs in the bag, I think. Like this. This. Sorry, there's like a hair on it. That's fine. Like that. And then you can also put water and the sunglasses. I feel like we got 6 surprises. What do you think? so cute. And I think I'll do a review for this because why not? I am going to review it. How about a 10 out of 10? Yep, a 10 out of 10. Because it's just so cute. Some of the cutest things ever. There's a container. Anyway, goodbye. I hope you enjoyed. I know this was short. It has been something like 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god, I got that right. And bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.